Not sure how to talk about the things you like in español? In this lesson, you'll learn everything you need to express your likes in Spanish with the verb gustar. Ready for this? ¡Vamos! To begin, let's listen to a short dialogue where two amigos talk about the series they like. Pay close attention to how they use the verb gustar to express their preferences. Here we go. ¿Te gusta alguna serie, Gaspar?
Sí, me gusta la serie Los Simpsons. Me gustan las series animadas de Estados Unidos. ¿Te gustan Los Simpsons?
No mucho, pero me gustan otras series animadas. Me gusta South Park y también me gusta Rick and Morty. Me gustan las series con humor negro.
¿Te gusta ver las series con tu esposa?
No, a mi esposa no le gustan South Park ni Rick and Morty. Son muy extrañas y locas para ella. A ella le gustan las series románticas. Too difficult? Let's break it down. In the dialogue, the amigos use the verb gustar to express the things they like. Gustar means to like, but it doesn't work in the same way as in English. In English, you conjugate to like with the person who likes something. I like South Park. I like animated series. In both cases, like is conjugated with I, but in Spanish, gustar works differently. Me gusta South Park, singular. Me gustan las series animadas, plural. Here, gustar is conjugated with the thing that is liked, not the person. That's why it's gusta with a singular object and gustan with plural objects. By the way, the summary of this lesson, including the dialogue transcript and how the verb gustar works, is included in my Spanish starter pack, 30 beginner lessons. Grab it for free at latinl.com with the link pinned in the comments. A helpful way to understand gustar is to think of it as to be pleasing. Me gusta South Park in singular is it's pleasing to me, and me gustan las series animadas, plural, they are pleasing to me. The words me, te, le indicate to whom something is pleasing. Some people call the verb gustar a backward verb because it goes in an opposite direction. When I say me gusta la serie, if I follow a word order that's similar to English, it would be to me, pleasant is the series. The subject at the end. And if it's te gustan las series, that's to you, pleasant are the series. So when Spanish speakers use gustar, all of a sudden they turn into llora.
Conjugate bad word you must. To master gustar.
So the main takeaway is gustar means to like, but it works as to be pleasing. And what happens with verbs? If you want to say, I like watching series, the verb in Spanish stays unconjugated. Me gusta ver series. Let's recap. Gustar means to like. The structure of gustar is similar to be pleasing, and the conjugation is gusta with a singular object or verb, and gustan with a plural object. And now that you know how gustar works en español, let's listen to the dialogue again to reinforce what you just learned. ¡Vamos! ¿Te gusta alguna serie, Gaspar?
Sí, me gusta la serie Los Simpsons. Me gustan las series animadas de Estados Unidos. ¿Te gustan Los Simpsons?
No mucho, pero me gustan otras series animadas. Me gusta South Park y también me gusta Rick and Morty. Me gustan las series con humor negro.
¿Te gusta ver las series con tu esposa?
No, a mi esposa no le gustan South Park ni Rick and Morty. Son muy extrañas y locas para ella. A ella le gustan las series románticas. And that's it for today. Tell me, ¿qué series te gustan? ¿Te gustan las series animadas o te gustan las series con actores? Leave a comment to practice what you just learned. And if you want another beginner useful lesson, watch this video on how to talk about the weather en español. ¡Hasta la próxima! ¡Chao, chao!